flip-hop. Personally, I don't like it. It's all mura. And it's nonsense. Some entertainment, whatever, are nonsense. But I don't like flip-hop.
Kasi dito naman kasi sa Canada, wala naman talagang pare-pareho eh. Magkakaiba talaga. And ang nakita ko na kagandahan talaga ng flip top, or yung at least for one aspect, parang binibigyan buhay niya, aware yung mga tao na yung pagkakaiba nila.
Salita ka ng salita, wala ka namang sinasabi. Ako'y parang pulubi na sa'yo'y humihingi sa pansin mo at damdamin na ako'y naging alipin. Mahinhin man ang turing mo sa akin, Ginoo, huwag kang pakasiguro, baka ikaw ay madapa at mauntog sa bato.
Kasi magkakaiba sila eh. Tapos nag-aasaran sila kasi yung pinibring force nila yung pagkakaiba nila. So yung pagkakaiba na yun, dito kasi, hindi naman talaga nagkakasundo lahat ng mga Filipino groups, diba?
It's funny to like make fun of your fellow, you know.
That's what we agree on. We don't agree on like we don't agree on a lot of things, but we agree on things that we don't really agree.
Yeah. Because I mean,
we're more united when we are actually disagreeing about something than when we agree about something.
Yeah, for real.
Di naman sa pagiging kampante, pare, pero sige, tawagin mo na akong mataba, baboy, di kaya elepante. At alam kong alam mo yung nangyari na sa radyo, ilang beses ako nasampal ng babae, pero mas pipiliin ko pa rin yung kaysa sa hilig at sikreto mong magpasampal sa lalaki habang binubukak at may yakap-yakap ang tiking higante.
Nakaka-confuse.
Parang ganun. Hindi ko naman nag-make sense, pero kasi dito hindi naman nagkakasundo with anything. So might as well agree to not agree to anything. And asaran lang kayo. Kasi masyadong seryoso eh. Huh?
I guess two wrongs don't make a right, but with the way the rap battles come out, I mean, it's you don't really have to talk about the world or your bigger problems or whatever. I mean, like, it's funny to just diss tangina to, pangit niya, walang pangalan, walang kabukasan na mukha niya, pero and at the end of the day, I mean, we shake hands and everything.
And if you actually feel repulsed or you're too defensive about it, it means that you are actually ugly or smelly
exactly.
or stupid.
And
like I'm not making any fuss about it because I know I'm better than that.
Because he'll just go out and make spit out some exactly. He'll spit out a new line.
And you're dumber. Or I'll add her stupider, dumber. Because usually the ones who are like too sensitive or maybe they think of it as something righteous or they're like, you know, masyadong sineseryoso.
I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea, I think. It's just not my cup of tea.
This is your cup of tea.
This is my cup of tea. Green tea.
Wala na, alis na ako dito kasi yung mga dalawang upo doon, pinaalis kami dito. Hindi ko na alam kung saan kami pupunta kasi suot ko na itong bag ko. At dire-diretso patungo kung saan man na hindi ko alam sa kawalan na espasyo na hindi natin maintindihan at lagi nating iniisip at lahat. Parang puro sumisilip sa mga damit at bagay na hindi naman kaya nilang magamit sa kanilang buhay na walang kakwenta-kwenta at hindi makulay dahil ang ating sariling natataglay ay ating mga bawat pakikipagsama at kapit-kamay sa ibang ating mga kapitbahay na ating kasambahay at mga kasama natin sa ating buhay na wala nang maintindihan dahil puro mga sinasabi ko ay walang katuturan. Tingnan mo yun, galing. Ang puti na ng kanyang dibdib at nais kong hindi na lang kasi masama ang aking gustong sabihin. Natin na lang.